Making money online has become super easy from anywhere in the world. Wherever you are, you can be making money online. As long as you have a device and you have internet connection, you can make money online. Hey, what's up guys? This is Simeon Barnes here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to make money with your cell phone here in Nigeria. You can make 5,000 naira with your cell phone in Nigeria. Now, this is what I do on this channel. I go out there, I try something, and once it works for me, I come to this channel, I do a video for you guys, because a lot have been asking me how I'm able to make the money I'm making online. So I show to you guys that how to make money online. So before I go into this video, I'd like to show you some proof here. This company today I joined back then in November, about a month ago, and I was paid on the December 15th. I was able to make 5,000 naira in a day. I made the money and I applied for withdrawal. I was paid. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you now. I'm going to show you the day I received payment. So let's get into it right now. So guys, if I actually share my screen here with you, you see I opted for payment. I applied for withdrawal, and I was credited with the 5,000 naira I made. So if you look at this right here, you see your account has been credited with 5,000 naira. If you open it here, I'm going to see there Barnabas Simeon, your account has been credited with 5,000 naira, and that is it. So guys, this was on the 15th of December. Yeah. So guys, welcome back. You have seen the proof right now. I got my payment. So if you are someone who is looking to make money online, consider watching this video. Watch this video to the end, like this video, comment on this video. You can also share this video to your friends, others who want to make money online, and also consider subscribing to this channel so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be among the first to watch the video and implement the strategy I'm going to be teaching on this channel. And with that said, let's get right into this video. So guys, that's it right there. Now that you have seen the proof, you have seen that I've actually made this money. The company sidegig.ng paid me 5,000 naira on the 15th of December, and I just created a second account 2 days ago, and I'm already making money on it. So I'm going to get right into this my account and show you how this money is made. Now, only thing required of you to do is to perform simple tasks like Instagram likes, Instagram comments, and Instagram follow. Once you follow accounts, you comment your account, you're going to be making 3 naira per follow. So with that said, let's get right into my account. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now. So if you come over to yeah, that's the account right there. Let's wait for it to load. This is live. I'm showing you everything on live here. Okay, so you look at it, say member login August 76 and my password. So I'm going to hit login right there. So it's saying login success. Alright guys, boom, now we are in my dashboard. You have seen this is my second account I just created, and I've already made like 82 naira from on here. Active job, total active job, completed jobs 29. I've done 29 jobs and I've earned a total of 82 naira. So this is how it is. So I'm going to show you around, show you how this money is made. Okay, if you come over here, you're going to say, okay, Barnabas Amma, you have 82 naira. This is my dashboard. Available jobs, we have 122 available jobs on here, and you see payment request. And okay, let's just go to payment request. I'm showing you guys everything on live. Okay, account balance 82 naira, withdrawal method. I've not said that this is a new account. Last withdrawal, this is a new account. I've not withdrawn. Last withdrawal, completed task 29. Minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. So once you have made up to 500 naira here, you can actually withdraw that. But I wanted to show you how things are done here, how I actually made this money. So let's go to available jobs. Boom, we're here. So you look at this job category: Instagram followers, job title, Instagram followers, amount 3 naira. So I'm going to show you live how you're going to make this money. And after here, I'm going to walk you through how to do your registration and start making the money. So view job, you click on view job there, and yeah, all right. So let's go back to my dashboard. We'll go back to my dashboard right there. Yes, you can see my dashboard. So we're going to click view job. Nigerian Instagram likes, yeah, and we're here, right here. So what is expected from you? Please ensure you are logged into the social media account that you're using. Note, we only accept real accounts, so you're not going to spam, you're not going to fake things here. You use your main Instagram account. You can actually go out there and create a new Instagram account just for this, so you can be making money. So guys, you actually click on the link here, open with Instagram, and boom. So you just like here. If you like, you can say comment, but the job is just Instagram like. So you go back, come back here, click on next, username for the account, username Christ inspired. Then you perform this simple captcha to verify human. 14 plus 7 is 21, and you click on finish, and boom guys, job completed successfully, redirecting in 3 seconds. You are going to wait for them to redirect, and boom, you can see now my account is 84 naira right there. So guys, we are going to perform another job. Click here, click on the link below.
Like you talk to people.
Ah god, you don't, I did do video now, you can't spoil the video now. So you can see, you can follow here, and the job was Instagram follow. You can also like, you can comment if you like. Go back, click on next, username for the social account Christ inspired, that's the Instagram account. Then you perform this. 25 plus 7 is 32. You click on next, you click on finish. Job completed successfully, redirecting in 3 seconds. If you check my dashboard right now, this is 87 naira. So guys, if you look at this right now, you see, if you come back here, you see, okay, Barnabas Ama, you have 87 naira. So guys, this is how things are done on here. Very simple, just performing simple Instagram tags. You can make up to 5k per day anywhere you are, but here in Nigeria, using this simple method. So the first step is to sign up to get your registration. So you are going to click on the link in the description below. After clicking on the link in the description below, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and you see registration. So I'm going to enter my full name here, username. This is like my third account, 25. Enter your password. So you so once you finish signing, you can see invited by August 17 showing here. So click on the link in the description, come to this page, fill out the form, click on register. Registration successful. So guys, this is my new account and this is my dashboard. You can see it's reading 0.00 naira. Now you will need to activate your account with a one-time payment of 5 naira before you can start to perform any tasks on the website. Now guys, this is how side gig works. You have to make a one-time payment of 500 naira for your subscription in order to make this money. And remember guys, minimum withdrawal is just 500 naira. So we are going to make payment live here on the dashboard. So click here to make payment. It's going to redirect you to Flutterwave. Everything is secure here. Boom. And we're going to pay with card. So I'm going to put my card details here. Okay, I'm going to just pay with card. Okay, there's an error, I don't know, maybe card is not working. So we're going to pay with USD code. Choose the bank. Okay, let's pay from Access Bank. Okay, we'll tap here to copy this code, come back, come here, paste it here, and boom, we send the payment. So guys, I've successfully made a payment and you can see I've been debited here. See, your account has been debited with 500, and this from my bank, and boom, that's it. So we are going to look for the mail now that has the verification, or the mail from SideGig. So guys, we are here. I received a mail say, hello distinguished member Barnabas Ama, we just received your subscription payment of 500 for the basic account. So this is it. My payment have been verified. So guys, that is how payment is done. So if you come back to my other account here, we can go on and do one more task. Click on view job here and click on the link, open Instagram, follow this account and
come back here, click on next, simply put your username here and finish job, set success, job completed, and let's wait. And guys, this is it. I already have 19 naira. If you come back to dashboard, you see I have 19 naira here. So guys, this is how you can do this over and over and over and over again. If you come down here, you can see we have a lot of pages, a lot of job up to page 20, up to page 8 here showing here, and you have many more pages. You can do this over and over in a day and make up to 5,000. Also guys, this sidegig.ng, they also have a referral program where you earn 15 naira when anyone activates the account. So if you have 10 friends and you invite them to this platform, you are going to be having 500 naira as long as they activate, and you're going to be making money as they are making money. So guys, this is how I did this and I got the payment that you saw right there in my account. So this is how things are done here. So if you are someone who is looking to make money online, if you are someone who is looking to make money with your cell phone, watch this video, watch it to the end and follow all the strategies. Register your account, activate your account with a token of 500 naira and start making money online.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Go out there and implement the strategy. Now the first link in the description will take you to sidegig.ng, where you're going to be signing up and following the process, and you're going to be making your 5,000 naira daily just performing simple tasks online. Follow the link in the description, go right there and start making money. And if you're someone who wants to make at least ₦1 million in Nigeria, I'd like you to watch the second video in the description below, how you're going to learn how to make your first 1 million naira. If you also want to connect with me personally, my Instagram is in the description, the third link in the description there. I'll go there, click it, and you send me a DM and I'll reply immediately. With that said, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all the questions. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. For now, peace.